The owner of one popular brand called LOTELA Beauty has been declared wanted by the police, and her name is PAMELA ONYEAGUSI. I'm sure you want to hear the full gist, right? Okay. What allegedly happened was that a customer who happened to be a judge secured the services of LOTELA Beauty for some facials and other skincare services to be done on her. And after it was done, the customer went back home as usual, only to discover that she has sustained some serious injuries on her face and other parts of her body. Immediately, she complained to LOTELA Beauty, and an appointment was fixed for her to come the next day for the injuries to be treated. The judge, on getting to LOTELA the next day, she had to pay some extra fees just to be administered some injection. Unfortunately, even after the injection, nothing really happened. The problem persisted. Now, the judge is only left with the option for refund, which she asked, and after some back and forth, her money was refunded to her, leaving her with the problem of fixing the damages done by LOTELA Beauty. Before continuing this video, if you are in this kind of business, it is of my humble opinion that you have something like a consent form or agreement for your customer to sign before you do anything, so that in case when something goes wrong, there will already be a structured step that can be taken to prevent the issue from going out of hand. Now, let's get back to the gist. The judge allegedly had to seek some alternative means, to get herself treated and all that. And after a successful treatment, she discovered she had spent too much in treating herself and decided to give LOTELA Beauty a bad review so other people won't fall victim like her. Now, LOTELA Beauty received a bad review and was furious. And instead of acting civil about the whole issue, she decided to take advantage of the judge by posting the picture of the judge on her page and adding some statements that the judge is trying to threaten and bully her into doing some things and all that. And she even added all sorts of vulgar statements that I can start saying here. As we all know, that kind of publicity is not good for our noble judge, and instead of taking the laws into her hand, she decided to report the matter to the Consumer Protection Council. On the investigation, the council invited PAMELA, and it was discovered that PAMELA is not even a dermatologist and has been doing her business without a license. The only license she claimed to have was gotten online, which is, not relevant. You see, as Nigerians sometimes we tend to take serious things for granted. Why will you be running a business and not secure a license that help you carry out your business, that help you carry out the services? At this point, my advice to business owners is that as you are building your business, try to build your legal structure of that business so that it will go hand in hand. So, after the meeting with the council, PAMELA allegedly fled the country and continued posting all sorts of accusations about the judge. Now, the matter has gotten to the police and she has been declared wanted for the offense of defamation of character and cyber stalking. You see, what most people don't know about the offense of cyber stalking is that cyber stalking is a criminal offense. It is a criminal offense, and the penalty under Section 24, subsection 1 of the Cyber Crimes Act is the fine of 7 million naira or 3 years imprisonment. You see, and in some worst case scenario, you could even get both. You can be fined 7 million naira and still be sentenced to 3 years imprisonment, all at the same time. And the fact that Lotela Beauty, that is Pamela, is not in the country, does not mean she can escape this.
Not be juju be that.
Because she can be legally brought back to Nigeria to face a trial, even against her will. There are some extradition laws in place to take care of that. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.